Hello dear students, welcome. I am Dr. Rajiv Oberoi, dealing with a very important concept. It is the halogen exchange reaction in haloalkanes. Now we have the halogen exchange reaction. Now in the previous topics we have dealt with the preparation of haloalkane, where haloalkane can be prepared by reaction of alcohol with HX, with PCl5, with PCl3, with SOCl2. It can also be prepared from saturated hydrocarbon through halogenation, etc. But in all these methods, the compound which is normally formed are alkyl chloride. So the method which has already been discussed are the method in which the product is mostly the alkyl chloride. But we can easily convert alkyl chloride into another alkyl halide, alkyl chloride into another alkyl halide using halogen exchange reaction. There are two very important reactions. One is the Schwarz reaction, and other is Finn-Callestin reaction. One is the Schwarz reaction and other is this Finn-Callestin reaction. So what we are dealing with? So we are dealing with halogen exchange reaction. In this we are dealing with Finn-Callestin reaction. So what it is? So it is a reaction where the reactant is, in Finn-Callestin's reaction, the reactant is alkyl chloride or alkyl bromide. In this reaction, the reactant is alkyl chloride or alkyl bromide. What is the product? The product is alkyl iodide. It means it is the method to convert alkyl chloride or alkyl bromide into alkyl iodide using reagent. So the reagent which we use is iodide of alkali metals. Iodide of alkali metals, especially NaI in presence of dry acetone is utilized. Dry acetone means acetone free from moisture. So the reagent is iodide of alkali metal NaI in presence of acetone. So suppose I have taken this compound CH3Cl, that is methyl chloride. If it is made to react with sodium iodide in presence of acetone, this Cl will be exchanged by I. The Cl will be exchanged by I, that is methyl chloride converts into methyl iodide. Now very important to note. Remember that this sodium iodide, very important. Sodium iodide, why this reaction is possible we are discussing. This sodium iodide is soluble in acetone. Sodium iodide is soluble in acetone, whereas the sodium chloride and sodium bromide, they are insoluble in acetone. Therefore this exchange of chloro and bromo by iodo is possible. So we have taken methyl chloride, converted into methyl iodide by reaction with sodium iodide in presence of acetone. Now suppose if I have taken isopropyl bromide, CH3CHBr, isopropyl bromide, and if this isopropyl bromide is made to react with NaI in presence of acetone, once again the bromo get exchanged by iodo. The bromo get exchanged by iodo and isopropyl iodide is the product. The isopropyl iodide. So Finn-Callestin reaction is a reaction. Finn-Callestin reaction is a reaction where alkyl chloride and alkyl bromide are converted into alkyl iodide by reaction with NaI in presence of acetone. We have just discussed what is the role of acetone. Now if I discuss the mechanism of this reaction, remember that this reaction follows SN2 mechanism. So if you want to master this SN2, you can refer the what is meant by SN2. It is bimolecular nucleophilic substitution reaction. I have already dealt in the another video what is meant by this SN2 kind of reaction. So I am saying that this reaction follows SN2 mechanism, that is bimolecular nucleophilic substitution reaction. In one line we can say it is a reaction in which the intermediate formation involve two molecules. when it will be termed as SN2 when the intermediate formed involve two molecule. So let us begin. Suppose I've taken CH3, CH2, Cl. CH3, CH2, Cl. If it is made to react with NaI in presence of acetone, as per SN2 mechanism, this chloroethane converts into iodoethane. Chloroethane converts into iodoethane. Now, if we discuss it further, now what happens? I said that NaI is capable of ionization in acetone. Therefore, this NaI will ionize to give sodium ion and iodide ion. Now say this is the principal molecule CH3, CH2Cl. CH3, CH2Cl, this is chloroethane. This is the principal molecule, that is our reactant molecule. Now this reactant molecule will be attacked by iodide ion. NaI ionized to give sodium ion and iodide ion, and this iodide will attack. So since it is attacking in the presence of Cl, therefore it will cause the backward attack. It will cause the backward attack. Hence, because of the attack of iodine in the presence of Cl, this kind of intermediate would be formed. This is the intermediate in which Cl is just about to leave and iodine is just about to add. This is the intermediate whose formation is involving two molecules. One molecule is the chloroethane and another molecule, another species is I, which is coming from NaI. So formation of this is involving two molecules, therefore it is termed as bimolecular nucleophilic substitution reaction, that is SN2. So this is the intermediate. This is the intermediate from which this Cl will now get eliminated. So this Cl will eliminate and iodine get attached. So chloroethane is converted into iodoethane following the SN2 mechanism. Therefore, inversion of configuration will take place. That is, if we take D form of this compound, it will convert into L form of this compound. Dextrorotatory compound converts into levorotatory compound, that is, the inversion takes place. This is following the SN2 mechanism. Following SN2 mechanism. Now remember that the success of this phencyclistine reaction depends upon the success of this reaction, and the mechanism we have just now discussed depends upon, so it depends upon nucleophilicity. This is the one factor. It depends upon nucleophilicity. Number two, it depends upon the nature of the group. Next, it depends upon the carbon halogen bond. And last, it depends upon the alkyl halide reactivity. So these are the four factors on which the success of this phencyclistine reaction depends. Nucleophilicity is one, nature of group is the second, carbon halogen bond is third, and alkyl halide reactivity is the fourth factor responsible for the success of this reaction and the mechanism it follows. Now let us discuss a very important feature with respect to a competitive examination. In the modern usage of phencyclistine reaction, it has been expanded to convert alcohol into halide. The expansion of this phencyclistine reaction, what we have done, it has conversion of chloride and bromide into iodide. Now this reaction is being expanded to convert even alcohol into halide. Remember, in this reaction, the alcohol is first converted into sulfonate ester. Alcohol is first converted into sulfonate ester and then into alkyl iodide using sodium iodide in presence of acetone. So let us take an example to explain it better. So let us discuss. Say this is the principal molecule in which there is alcoholic group attached. This is our reactant molecule, the principal molecule having OH. So it is first converted into sulfonate ester. Remember, it is first converted into sulfonate ester, OSO2CH3 converted into sulfonate ester. So alcohol is the principal molecule converted into sulfonate ester, and then sulfonate ester when made to react with NaI in presence of acetone, this get converted into iodide compound. So we have converted the alcohol into iodide using the expanded form of this phenylkylistine reaction, where alcohol is first converted into sulfonate ester and then by reaction with NaI in presence of acetone into iodide compound. So this type of questions are very, very important. So phenylkylistine reaction is a very important halogen exchange reaction where alkyl chloride and alkyl bromide are converted into alkyl iodide by reaction with NaI in presence of acetone free from moisture. It is a very, very important reaction. I have discussed the mechanism. Also the modern form, modern expansion of this reaction I have also discussed. It is very important. Please master this phenylkylistine reaction. Very important.